Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to teach you guys on how to or better said, when to use what type of repetition in your code. Alright, well I'm gonna talk about four different types of repetitions. While, do while, for, and recursion. Alright, let's get started. Let's get started with the while. As you guys can see, this is like a diagram of how it's a diagram how the while works. As you guys can see, well, the code of while, it's while condition, condition code, and close it. First off, it goes into the condition. This one's it analyzes this thing first. If it's true, it's gonna run the code, and it's gonna come back, do the condition until it's true. And once this is false, it's gonna go on with the code. Um, This while the using while is actually very useful when you want to when you have a large type of repetitions inside a code. These while conditions are very unique, and this is so you only use this so you don't have to go through this block first. You go to the condition until it's met, and if it's met, you keep doing the code. And once it's not met, you just go on. This is so when you have like you want a certain type of numbers to repeat itself, but you don't know how many until the code makes it true or false, and then you just go on. Maybe you guys get it later when I explain the rest of them. Let's go with the other one. Do while. Well, do while it's that the condition is after the code. That's the difference between while. And you guys can see while the condition is before the code. There's a condition and it goes in if it's true. If it's false, it just skips it. But with do while, it goes through the code first and it does the condition afterwards. If the condition is true, it's gonna keep repeating itself. If it's false, it's just gonna stop. That's how do while works. And the third one is for. For it's you need a number. And you have an initial number, a condition, and an increment, and the conditional code. This one is actually pretty simple because you use fors when you have a determined number of times that you know that your code's gonna repeat itself. That you want this code to repeat 5 times, and you just put here condition. I want this like x is lower than 5 or than 6, and then this thing's gonna repeat itself exactly 5 times. And once this condition is false, it's just gonna go straight to the code. And recursion is actually when you use a function and it repeats itself. This we've seen this in another code. Or recursion is when a function uses itself to do it again. You use recursion when you have small amounts of repetitions that you want to use. It's not hard to determine when you want to use a recursion because it has to do the whole code over and over again. And this means that your code's going to be really, really slow if you like need to like sum up everything and everything and everything. And it just starts getting bigger, and it has to do the whole repetition over and over again and then add it what you want to do. So in order to do big, large loops or stuff like that, I recommend using for, do, or while. So back to the original post. Masteries. When you use while, you use while when you want to check the condition first, see if it's true, to do the code. If it's false, then just go. While you do it, if you want to check the condition after the code. And for, you use it when you have a determined number of times that you want it to repeat itself. And hope that is my 2 cents on the matter of Mastery 22. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep on up to date to my videos. Hope you found this useful, and goodbye.